Good morning, sir.
Let's make the project. So this is a Visual Studio Code. You can install it from the Chrome browser. Just type your VS Code, click the link, and download the Visual Code for according to your OS. Okay, so I have already downloaded. Let's get started with the project. So here we are in Visual Studio Code. So let's make the file file. So here we have to install. First, you have to click Control J to open the terminal and type here pip install pyttsx3 and it will install it for you. So here we have to import pyttsx3 module, import date time module, and here in terminal you have to install the date time module similarly like pyttsx3 pip install date time. And now we will type here engine equals to pyttsx3 dot init, and in brackets we will say sappy file, which is a voice. Now we will write voices equals to engine dot get property and specify it as voices. Now engine dot set property, and we'll say voices 0 dot id. Engine equals to pyttsx3 dot init, and we will set the constructor. So now we will set the date and time modules. So here we will say e equals to date time dot date time dot now constructors. So now we will import the time, import time, and current time equals to time dot strf time, and we will say modulus h means hours. So this is a string. We will convert this in integers, int function, and in parentheses. So now we have to set the times. If current time is less than 12, it will return to the statement engine dot say good morning. Now we'll say if current time less than 16, it will say engine dot say good afternoon. Now we will say if current time is greater than 16, it will say engine dot say good evening. And now we will set the engine dot run and wait constructors. Now engine dot stop. So we have completed the program here. Let's save it and we will run it now.
Good morning.
So you can see that it says good morning. Since here its time is 7 o'clock, so it says good morning. So now we will enhance our program a little bit. Let's say uh, good morning. So you can see that it says good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Or you can